Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I package up some embellishments. So the first one that I'm going to be packaging up is this shaker memory decks that I made. And then I'm also going to be packaging these into another package. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so as you can see here, I've got a 12 by 12 sheet of paper that I've folded in half and I've stitched it down here and down here. I've put my memory decks inside and I'm going to fold the top bit. You could sew it in if you wanted to. I just like this idea here. So my memory decks is in there. What I'm actually going to do is use this bulldog clip here and I'm going to tie some trim to it. So I've gone into my stash and just found a whole bunch of trims and I'm going to just thread them through, really, just like that, tie it on. Just in one knot so that they can take it out if they want to, or they can leave it, and I'm going to do it on both sides. And this just makes the bulldog clip look a little bit cuter, really. And I've got this cute pink leaf trim. All of the trims that I have are from AliExpress, so they were very cheap and easy to get. So there we go, and I'm going to use this to hold the bag closed and just kind of leave the trim floating around. What I also want to do is stick, I'm going to stick this down here, which is a piece of paper that I've folded. This is a piece of paper that I've folded and stitched, so it's really easy to see there. I've folded and I stitched it, and I've also stitched this trim on. I'm just going to use some hot glue to stick this down, and I just do it right across where the stitch is. I also find that it makes the stitch never come undone. And I'm going to put it right in the center, like so. Oh, I've also got this one here that I'm going to just pop in. If you wanted to not tie it, you could always, which I might do that with this one here, you just have it so it's hanging down the side and it looks really cute. So now I need something to go across this top section, which I have this card here, but it's really big, so I'm not going to use it. That butterfly I'm going to stick on, and again I'm just going to go straight down with the hot glue. I find it the easiest bit to do. I've got this container here of stuff that I've stitched, so I'm going to look through to see if there's anything that I can use. I could use this cute green thing, which I will. I'm going to pull off the foam on the back. This is a button. I believe it's Maggie Holmes. I'm just going to stick it on there like so. Actually, so I've got this piece of acetate here. This is a piece of gather acetate. I'm going to stick that down. Oh, here's some more trim that I have, which I will also stick down. I just like it because it's like trim to give to someone and then also cute thing. So this is a piece of acetate that has a ballerina that says Pure Joy. I'm going to clip it on with the clip, pop it underneath the and I've also just stuck on a few little bits of enamel dots there, but this is one of the packages. Here, really easy to throw together. Then I'm going to package up the other embellishment. So this one here, I have a 12 by 12 sheet of paper, and I've folded this one up and sewed it so it looks sort of like a baggie, like so. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the top folded, but I'm going to glue it close this time. Here's the embellishment that I'm putting in here. They're layered circles. I love the way these look. That's just going to go straight in there like so. I'm going to put a bead of glue there and seal it. Okay, there we go. So I put just a little bit of glue there, and I'm going to close it like so, and I will stitch across there when I'm done embellishing it. So I've got another one of these really cute layered pieces. So this is some paper again that I folded. I stitched this pom-pom trim and then also some lace. I'm going to stick this down. I just use my hot glue gun to stick everything down because it's just easier in my opinion. And then I'm also going to stick down this. So these will all come apart, as you can see. So I've got this shaker piece here, a butterfly that I'm going to just clip on there like so. Then I have this big bit of ribbon here, and I'm going to use that to wrap everything on there together. Now I also had another idea to put that on there, but so as you can see, I'm putting it halfway through on the ribbon. This ribbon that I have that I'm actually using is actually a spare ribbon that I got from some ephemera, and then I'm going to tie a bow. This was from a swap that I got ages ago. I'm going to tie a bow in this bottom corner here, like so, and I'm going to just shove that in there so it doesn't come out. I'm going to pull the straps down a little bit so that it's nice and compacted in there, like so. I'm going to cut off that. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller on that side and on that side. I'm going to just cut that bit there. And this is this section. So what I'm actually going to do is push that in there like so, and then put the butterfly over the top and clip it on, and there we go. That's that packaging all done. You didn't need to put that bottom one in there, I just wanted to. I thought it would look cute. So that's that bit of packaging done. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and a comment, and if you loved it, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for next week, where I'm going to package my whole Happy Mail for the recipient of these. Bye, guys.